noticed the Add Music option is missing from your Instagram profile? You're not alone. This problem often occurs due to outdated app versions or regional restrictions. First, check your app version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure Instagram is updated. If your app is up to date, the next step is checking your region's music features. Sometimes, logging out and back into your account can reset the features. Try that. If all else fails, you may want to reinstall the app. But don't worry, your data is safe. After trying these steps, revisit your profile to check if the Add Music option appears. If it's still not visible, consider contacting Instagram support for assistance. Keep an eye on social media updates about music features in your region. Learning about the app's updates will keep you ahead of changes and features. Now, you can enjoy adding your favorite tracks to your profile seamlessly. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Happy Instagramming!